Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FRLF. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and biggest volume the chart has had by far for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's get some levels of support and then resistance mapped out. First area of support is what I would consider the ideal area. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can continue to hold above 24 cents. Now, I use the word continue very deliberately because when you look closely, you can see several occasions today the bears did try to press down through 24 cents, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls have been doing a great job of holding up above it. So if that can continue to happen going forward, that would be a great sign of power. Don't get me wrong, though, if the price does fall below 24, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above it, that would be a huge sign of power. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, so this definitely assumes you care about more so a bigger time horizon, but that is the purple line representing the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So again, assuming you care more so about the big picture of things and just want an overall way to gauge the health of the current move, as long as the price stays above that purple line as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, if it can stay above 24 cents, that would be great. But from the grand scope of things, as long as the price stays above that purple line, then the overall trend is fully in the bulls' favor. What about areas of resistance? In regard to these areas of resistance, initial one right here at, 28 cents. Then after 28 cents, you're looking up right around 30 cents. But right now, in my opinion, top priority is just to build that higher base, go through some healthy consolidation. And then at that point, you can focus on more so breaking levels of resistance. But, from the grand scheme of things, as long as the price continues to build higher lows, everything else will take care of itself. And part of, quote unquote, everything else is breaking areas of resistance. So over time, focus on healthy consolidation, building higher lows, and then just sit back and let the chart do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.